Unit 1. Tape script 1.1.
Hello, I'm Paula.
Hello, I'm Josef.
Tape script 1.2. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Pablo. What's your name?
My name's Mika.
Hello, Mika.
Tape script 1.3. This is...
Ben, this is Mika. Mika, this is Ben.
Hello, Ben.
Hello, Mika.
Tape script 1.4. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name's Judy Koblenz.
Hello, I'm Robert Smith. Nice to meet you.
And you.
Tape script 1.5. English names.
James Bond, Robert Taylor, Henry Baker,
Susie Walsh. Anita Johnson. Catherine Smith.
Tape script 1.6. How are you? 1.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
Fine, thanks, Pablo. And you?
I'm okay, thanks.
2.
Hello, Mika. How are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
Fine.
Tape script 1.7. 1.
Hello, my name's Anna. What's your name?
My name's Mario.
2.
Max, this is Carla.
Hi, Carla.
Hello, Max. Nice to meet you.
3.
Hi, Ada. How are you?
Fine, thanks, David. And you?
Very well, thanks.
1.8. Everyday English. 1.
Good morning.
Good morning. What a lovely day.
2.
Good afternoon. Hello. A cup of tea, please.
3.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you later.
4.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
Tape script 1.9. 1.
Good morning. How are you today?
Fine, thanks.
2.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. A cup of coffee, please.
3.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. And you. See you later.
4.
Good night. Sleep well.
Thank you. And you?
Tape script 1.10. Vocabulary. 1.
A book.
2.
A computer.
3.
A television.
4.
A phone.
5.
A bus.
6.
A car.
7.
A hamburger.
8.
A sandwich.
9.
A camera.
10.
A photograph.
11.
A bag.
12.
A house.
Numbers 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tape script 1.12. Numbers 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tape script 1.13. Plurals. A.
5 books.
B.
3 cars.
C.
8 houses.
D.
7 cameras.
E.
9 photographs.
F.
2 sandwiches.
G.
4 computers.
H.
6 buses.
I.
10 students.
Tape script 1.14. Pronunciation.
S. Books. Photographs. Students. Z. Cars. Computers. Hamburgers. Cameras. Televisions. Bags. Phones. Is. Sandwiches. Houses. Buses.